In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your files from Google Drive to Dropbox efficiently and securely. We all know that keeping our files organized and easily accessible across different platforms is crucial, and that's exactly what we're going to achieve today. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, locate your profile picture, usually at the top right corner of the screen, and give it a click. This action will bring up a drop-down menu with different options. Here, you need to select the option that says Edit Google Account. This is your gateway to accessing various personal settings, so make sure you're in the correct account if you have multiple Google profiles. After accessing your account settings, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll find Data and Privacy. Click on it to proceed. This section is a treasure trove of information about the data associated with your account and options to manage it. In this phase, you'll want to look for the Apps and Services segment, and from there choose Google Drive. By doing this, you're starting the process of preparing your files for export. Now click on the download option. This will guide you towards Google Takeout, a service by Google that lets you export your data from multiple apps. Once in Google Takeout, scroll through the list of your Google services and ensure Google Drive is selected. Then click on Advanced Settings, where you'll encounter checkboxes for including different versions of your files and additional file information. Be sure to click these as it ensures that everything, including all versions and details of your files, are accounted for in the export. Next, hit the OK button to confirm your selections and move forward by clicking on Next Step. Now you need to decide how you'd like to receive your files. You'll see an option labeled Send Download Link via email, but for today's task, let's go ahead and select Add to Dropbox. This option allows you to directly export your files to your Dropbox account. It's time to configure how you want this export to happen. You can choose Export Once to create a one-time transfer, or if you want to automate future transfers, select Export every 2 months for 1 year. Another critical setting is the file size limit. You can choose a size ranging from 2 GB to 50 GB. This will directly influence the size of the export files being transferred to Dropbox. Lastly, click on Link Accounts and create Export. You may need to authenticate your Dropbox account to establish the connection. This final step links your Google Drive to Dropbox, initiating the transfer process. And there you have it, a secure, streamlined way to move your files from Google Drive to Dropbox. Remember, flexibility and control are key, especially when managing data across multiple platforms. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.